So I want to do this because, by chance, if you even did those steps and you still can't get in contact with your sponsor, I wanted to give you some steps so that you could be successful, with or without. Okay, I've read a good book by Eric Worre, his book Go Pro, and he was like, a sponsor is a person who shares a business opportunity with you. But guess what? It's your business, okay? This is your business. So I wanted to give you guys some tips and stuff that I do the last 4 years of being successful. I've been in network marketing for 6 years. And those first 2 years I struggled really, really badly, really, really badly. I didn't have, a good mentor. I didn't know what to do. I was lost. And so I feel blessed enough to, how I got with a mentor who told me what to do. In network marketing, you have to have a backbone. You have to have a strong backbone because, if this was easy, everyone would be doing it, okay? This industry is not easy, but when you have the steps to be successful, it gets easier and easier and easier, okay? So there's really not a lot of secrets to how people get to be successful because success leaves clues. All you have to do is follow a successful person, and guess what? You should start being successful also, okay? I'm seeing crazy banana results right now because I aligned myself with a very sweetheart person, and she's been teaching me. She's been in the industry lesser than I have, but she was blessed enough to get with good people who showed her the steps to be successful. And she said she struggled for a long time until she got with a very good mentor. And then she helped launch Infinity Profit System this time last year. Okay, and so she got banana results. Okay, bananas, crazy. Okay, the girl made over $86,000 in Infinity Profit System. I wish I had got in on the ground floor of IPS. I wound up getting in later. I got good results, but I wish I had got in on the ground floor of Infinity Profit System. But guess what? When I saw that, Dale was making his own company again, and I was like, I ain't even got to know that. I don't care about no products. Dale doing it. My girl Dominique doing it. I'm jumping in, okay? Ground floor, I'm jumping in. I didn't even second guess it. I could care less about the products, okay? I know it's going to be amazing, okay? Because Dale's doing it. I know it's going to be amazing because Dominique's following him, okay? Again, so you have the opportunity to be very, very successful here. You're in on the ground floor, but I wanted to give you guys some value and some training so that we can grow this to, several $1,000,000 in these first, 30 days, okay? We're going to have banana results and crazy bananas results in these first 30 days, okay? So, it's very, very easy, okay? So, how to reach your goals as fast as possible so that you can have a really good Christmas and a really good New Year's, okay? You want to focus on getting 4 people into the business as soon as possible, okay? And then you want to help those 4 people get 4 people. Help those 4 people get 4 people. Help those 4. Rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, okay? But in order to do that, you need to focus on form, okay? Your family, occupation, recreation, and motivation. The best way that you do this is with videos and pictures of your life, of you eating a healthy meal a day, or if you're at the mall, you're out to eat with your family. And for me personally, just because I'm have to be health conscious now because of the things that I'm going through. So I would suggest a healthy meal. I see some people, they do share a lot of stuff, but I have to be more conscious of what I, put. And so I try to show pictures and of me eating something healthy. I've been out to eat with my daughter, and I can take a picture of her little skinny self, eating some yumminess. So share your family, show her what you're doing. Okay, I show a lot, me shopping with her. I treat her like my little human baby doll, you know, and like things like that. Okay, but you have to do that because people have to see you as a real person. If you are new to network marketing and you're not showing that you're not all about money, that you are a real person, that's when they're going to be able to relate to you and feel comfortable with you, feel comfortable enough to pull out that credit card and want to join business with you. Okay, truthfully, people join people. It's a sad fact. Some people may look at Bethany Garner like, I don't want to sign up with her, but guess what? They're on your friends list. They're on your friends list. They have gotten to know you, so they're going to want to sign up with you because they know you, they trust you, they feel more comfortable with you. Okay, so I suggest, go down your friends list, okay? Let's see. And like go down there, your friends list, and like go to their pages, go to their posts, comment on them, and then people will get those notifications and then they don't know you and they're getting these notifications and they're on because they're friends of friends, they're going to get the notification and then they're going to be nosy like, who is this person commenting and liking, and saying all this good stuff. They're going to be nosy and then they're going to go to your wall and check you out, and then they'll be checking you out more and more and more. Trust me, people are nosy. People are nosy, okay? So then they might be like looking down your wall and like, dang, what's going on? I see all these likes and comments. What's really going on? And they might inbox you and ask you about your business. Okay. I don't want to miss anything. Okay. Yeah. A lot of people do pictures, but for me personally, I get more results by doing videos. I used to do like videos every single day like 4 years ago, but people know me, so they hit me up all the time about my business because I stay in people's face. I like to give people that illustration about McDonald's. What's the number one, fast food hamburger joint in the world? McDonald's. Guess what McDonald's does still till this day? They still do marketing. They still do marketing every day. Even though they're killing people with their horrible food, they're still the number one hamburger selling place because they stay in people's face daily with marketing. Okay. I suggest, doing like your 1 day review, your 2nd day review, your 3rd day review. I did one that was like 7 hours review, 24 hours review, a 48 hours review, because I love to stay in people's face. I'll know what works and consistently stay in people's face with form, family, occupation, recreation, and motivation. That's what's going to attract people to your business. Okay, you gotta see what your audience is, what your friends list is, and then you want to solve that problem. A lot of people's problem right now is that it is coming up on Christmas. Okay, it is coming up on New Year's, and so people want money. People need money badly. You have the opportunity to provide them a chance to not go out there and get more debt that they're probably paying off that debt from last year and the year before that. You giving them an opportunity to pay off those bills, okay? So you want to follow me, follow Dominique Barbie, follow Selena Jackson. We're getting crazy bananas results, okay? Our personal team has exploded, okay? Exploded, okay? And you just want to have like casual conversations with people, like with everyone on your friends list. Get to know them, okay? Ask them about their family. You see stuff that's going on their wall, you'll find out more information about them. And so you want to treat these people like friends. It's Facebook. So, and you have a friends list. Go down your friends list and get to know these people. If you've been getting to know these people and you feel more comfortable with them, you could then, share your business opportunity with them. Like, what if you had a chance to make $5,000 to $20,000 by Christmas or by New Year's, or go into 2017 reaching those goals? Wouldn't you want to review the information about it, okay? You have to word it the way that you want to so that it'll attract your friends and stuff. But it's a six-figure earner that I got a chance to be mentored in ATL last summer, okay? And this is what he does. He goes down his, his friends list, and he sends them like, just like a little shout out, like, hey, how you doing? Inbox message. And if these people do not respond to him in a week, they get deleted off his friends list, okay? He does this, and the boy gets crazy banana results because people trust him. They've gotten to know him, and he has a heart of gold, okay? He's a sweetheart. Okay, so do not always jump right into business, okay? Treat people like friends. Okay, if you need help closing, hit up your sponsor as soon as possible. Follow their lead. With our personal team, we have training on follow-up scripts and everything. And so reach out to your sponsor if you need help closing people. And I'm telling you, the money is in the follow-up. Follow-up, 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 okay? You might speak to like 1,200 people, okay? Maybe 100 will join you in business. But then it might be 11 of them that take it seriously. And then those 11 can make you a lot of money. Okay, so with network marketing, organization is key to getting major results, okay? Get you a notebook just for reverse commissions, okay? I have several notebooks for different things. I stay very organized. So organization is what's going to get you results. And staying very dedicated and consistent, and follow up. There's not enough times that you can follow up with a person until they join you in business, okay? Follow me, follow Dominique Barbie. We're getting crazy banana results. And take the time to review this, okay? Pause this video and go into depth in reading every single step that I have on here. And reach out to me. If I have time, I will try to respond, but I'm training my group, so talk to you soon.